Welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
My name's Matt, and this is the Incredible Orange Turd.
So you may be asking, what's so special about the Incredible Orange Turd? Nothing. There's nothing special about it. It's a manual. It's got a parking brake. I got an aftermarket sound system in it. Well, I guess the one good thing about it is I put an aftermarket cruise control kit in it. This cruise control kit really has been very helpful to me because I drive 100 miles a day, and footing that the entire time really hurts.
So here we have essentially a 1.6 liter Hyundai motor, which is 1.6 liters of fury. This engine right here is so furious, it makes a Fast and Furious franchise look lame. So here we have an aftermarket cruise control kit that I purchased from cruisecontrol.com. It's very easy to install. You literally just bolt it in and then tap into a few wires. And then if your car was not equipped with cruise control like this Incredible Orange Turd wasn't, I now have cruise control. So it just goes in here, brackets in. There's a little servo motor in here with a little controller that reads your wheel speed sensors and whatnot, so that way it can maintain speed for you. And you see here is the factory throttle cable, and here is the cruise control cable that bolts in here to the throttle body. It's kind of hard to see. It's just kind of a little bracket right down in there, and then the throttle cable for the cruise control bolts in there. This has actually saved me quite a bit fatigue from driving and whatnot. It's great modification. Really love it. In, say, slick conditions, say you're up north like me in Ohio, and it's snowing, and the road is slippery and whatnot, and you're hitting patches of ice, I have noticed that if any one wheel spins faster than the other, it cuts throttle back, acting like a quasi traction control for you. And I've been able to maintain a much faster speed safely with this cruise control kit as opposed to if I was just using my foot and own intuition. You can see coming off the battery there, I got power wire for an amplifier and a sub in the trunk, and I smartly used the additional lug here on the battery terminal to connect the power cable. It's your general Saatchi from Walmart. The best modification ever done to this car is this sticker right here. This lets everyone know that they are behind the Incredible Orange Turd.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.